1. Abash, to embarrass or make ashamed. She was not abashed by the sudden laughter of the audience. 2. Abbate, to lessen, reduce, or decrease. The storm finally abated after 3 hours of heavy rain. 3. Abdicate, to give up power or responsibility. The king decided to abdicate the throne in favor of his son. 4. Aberration, a departure from the normal or astronomical or expected. His angry reaction was an aberration from his usual calm nature. 5. Abhor, to hate deeply, regard with disgust. She abhorred cruelty to animals. 6. Abject, extremely bad, unpleasant, or degrading. They lived in abject poverty with no food or shelter. 7. Abnegate, to deny oneself something, reject. A true saint abnegates personal desires for the good of others. 8. Abortive, unsuccessful, failing to produce results. The rescue mission was abortive due to the storm. 9. Abridge, to shorten a text without losing the meaning. The editor abridged the novel to make it suitable for children. 10. Absolute, total, complete, not limited. He demanded absolute silence in the hall. 11. Absolve, to free from blame or guilt. The priest absolved him of all his sins. 12. Abstinent, refraining from indulging in pleasures. He remained abstinent from alcohol for health reasons. 13. Abstract, existing in thought, not concrete. Love and beauty are abstract concepts. 14. Abstruse, hard to understand. The professor's lecture on quantum physics was abstruse. 15. Abysmal, extremely bad or appalling. The team's performance was abysmal in the final match. 16. Accolade, an award or praise. She received accolades for her outstanding performance. 17. Accost, to approach and speak aggressively. A beggar accosted me on the street for money. 18. Acerbic, sharp, biting in tone or taste. His acerbic comments hurt his friend's feelings. 19. Acquiesce, to accept something reluctantly but without protest. She acquiesced to her parents' decision. 20. Acrid, strong and unpleasant, taste or smell. The acrid smoke filled the room. 21. Acrimonious, bitter, angry, especially in speech. Their divorce ended with an acrimonious court battle. 22. Acumen, sharpness of mind, good judgment. His business acumen helped the company grow quickly. 23. Acute, sharp, severe, or highly perceptive. She felt acute pain in her chest. 24. Adage, a traditional saying, proverb. Honesty is the best policy is an old adage. 25. Adamant, refusing to change one's mind. He was adamant about not apologizing. 26. Address, to speak to or deal with. The principal addressed the students in the assembly. 27. Adherent, a supporter or follower of a belief. He is a strong adherent of non-violence. 28. Admonish, to warn or scold. The teacher admonished the students for being late. 29. Adroit, skillful and clever. She is adroit at playing the violin. 30. Adulation, excessive praise or flattery. The actor enjoyed the adulation of his fans. 31. Adulterate, to make something impure by adding inferior materials. The milk was adulterated with water. 32. Adverse, harmful or unfavorable. The project was delayed due to adverse weather conditions. 33. Aesthetic, related to beauty or art. The painting had great aesthetic appeal. 34. Affable, friendly, easy to talk to. The manager was very affable with his employees. 35. Affectation, an unnatural or pretentious manner. His British accent was just an affectation. 36. Affinity, a natural liking or connection. She has an affinity for classical music. 37. Affluent, wealthy. He grew up in an affluent neighborhood. 38. Agenda, a list of things to be discussed. The meeting agenda was distributed to everyone. 39. Agrarian, related to farming or agriculture. The country's economy is mainly agrarian. 40. Aggregate, total, combined amount. The aggregate score of both matches was 4-2. 41. Agnostic, a person who is unsure about God's existence. He describes himself as an agnostic, not an atheist. 42. Alacrity, cheerful readiness. She accepted the invitation with alacrity. 43. Allege, to claim without proof. The newspaper alleged that the minister was corrupt. 44. Alleviate, to make less severe. The medicine helped alleviate his pain. 45. Allocate, to distribute or assign. Funds were allocated for building new schools. 46. Alloy, a mixture of metals. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. 47. Allusion, an indirect reference. His speech made an allusion to Shakespeare. 48. Aloof, emotionally distant, reserved. He remained aloof from the group discussion. 49. Altruism, selfless concern for others. Donating to charity is an act of altruism. 50. Ambience, the mood or atmosphere of a place. The restaurant had a romantic ambience. 51. Ambiguous, unclear, having more than one meaning. His answer was so ambiguous that no one understood. 52. Ambivalent, having mixed feelings. She felt ambivalent about moving to a new city. 53. Ameliorate, to improve something bad. Policies were introduced to ameliorate living conditions. 54. Amenable, willing to agree or cooperate. The manager was amenable to our suggestions. 55. Amenity, a useful feature or service. The hotel offers modern amenities like Wi-Fi and a gym. 56. Amiable, pleasant and friendly. He is an amiable host who makes everyone feel welcome. 57. Amnesty, an official pardon for offences. The government granted amnesty to political prisoners. 58. A moral without moral sense. The villain in the movie was completely immoral. 59. Amorous, showing love or desire. He wrote an amorous letter to his beloved. 60. Amorphous, shapeless, without clear form. The plan was still amorphous and lacked details. 61. Anachronism, something out of its proper time. A sword in modern warfare is an anachronism. 62. Analogy, comparison to explain something. She used an analogy of a tree to explain family roots. 63. Anarchy, absence of government or law. After the king's death, the country fell into anarchy. 64. Anecdote, a short, interesting story. He shared an amusing anecdote from his school days. 65. Anguish, severe mental or physical pain. She was in anguish over the loss of her child. 66. Animosity, strong hostility. There was deep animosity between the two rivals. 67. Anomaly, something unusual or abnormal. The sudden drop in temperature was an anomaly. 68. Antecedent, something that comes before. Hard work is often the antecedent to success. 69. Antipathy, a strong dislike. She felt an antipathy toward dishonesty. 70. Antithesis, the direct opposite. Love is the antithesis of hatred. 71. Apartheid, racial segregation, in South Africa. Nelson Mandela fought against apartheid. 72. Apathy, lack of interest or feeling. The students showed apathy toward the lecture. 73. Aphorism, a short, wise saying. Time is money is an aphorism. 74. Apocalypse, total destruction or end of the world. The movie was about a zombie apocalypse. 75. Apocryphal, of doubtful authenticity. The story about the haunted house is apocryphal. 76. Apotheosis, the highest point of development. The singer's career reached its apotheosis with a Grammy Award. 77. Appease, to calm or satisfy. The manager appeased the angry customer with a refund. 78. Appreciate. To value or be thankful for. I really appreciate your help. 79. Apprehensive, fearful about the future. She felt apprehensive before the exam. 80. Approbation, official approval or praise. The new policy received the approbation of the board. 81. Appropriate, to take something for one's own use, often without permission. The soldiers appropriated food supplies from the villagers. 82. Aptitude, natural ability. He has an aptitude for learning languages. 83. Arbiter, a judge or authority in disputes. The teacher acted as an arbiter in the argument. 84. Arbitrary, based on random choice, not reason. The decision seemed completely arbitrary. 85. Arcane, mysterious, known by few. The old book was filled with arcane symbols. Inter is archaic, old-fashioned, outdated. Some archaic laws are still in existence. 87. Archetype, the perfect example or model. He is the archetype of a gentleman. 88. Ardent, passionate and enthusiastic. She is an ardent supporter of women's rights. 89. Arduous, very difficult, requiring effort. Climbing the mountain was an arduous task. 90. Aristocratic, belonging to the nobility or upper class. He came from an aristocratic family. 91. Artful, clever, skillful, sometimes tricky. The thief made an artful escape. 92. Artifice, clever trick or deception. He used every artifice to avoid paying taxes. 93. Ascendancy, a position of power or control. The party gained ascendancy in the elections. 94. Ascetic, practicing severe self-discipline. The monk lived an ascetic lifestyle. 95. Assiduous, hardworking and persistent. She is an assiduous student. 96. Assimilate, to absorb and integrate. Immigrants often assimilate into a new culture. 97. Assuage, to relieve or calm. He tried to assuage her fears with kind words. 98. Astute, shrewd, clever, good at noticing things. The astute lawyer won the case easily. 99. Attrition, gradual reduction in strength or numbers. The company faced attrition as many employees resigned. 100. Audacity, boldness, often rude. He had the audacity to question his boss. 101. Augment, to increase or add to. She augmented her income by tutoring students. 102. Auspicious, favorable, promising success. The wedding took place on an auspicious day. Dasati austere, simple, plain, without luxury. The monk lived in an austere hut. 104. Autocratic, ruling with absolute power. The country was under an autocratic ruler. 105. Autonomous, independent, self-governing. The region is an autonomous state. 106. Avarice, extreme greed for wealth. His avarice led him to cheat his friends. 107. Avow, to declare openly. She avowed her love for him in public. You say kids avunjular, kind and friendly, like an uncle. The professor had an avuncular relationship with his students. 109. Awry, not as expected, wrong. The plan went awry due to poor planning. 110. Axiom, a statement accepted as true, self-evident truth. In mathematics, the whole is greater than the part is an axiom.